Welcome back. We're joined by Robert Mann now of Mann's Jewelers with some very exciting news about this gorgeous $12,000 diamond ring. He's going to tell you how you can get it. So thanks for coming on. And what's this contest all about?
The contest is essentially a love story contest. You know, we hear so many great love stories when we're talking to people about getting engaged that we've just felt, wouldn't it be nice to give them a venue to be able to share their love? And so we came up with this wonderful idea.
So who can get involved here?
Anybody, as long as you're an adult, you're over 18, go to platinumproposal.com and just fill out your love story, send a photo, and we'd love to hear your story.
And the best one wins this beautiful diamond ring?
Absolutely. They also win a party at CMAC at the Kelly Clarkson Frey concert for 24 of their nearest and dearest friends and family, and they get to propose live on the air on WPXY.
Oh, wow. Tell us about the ring.
The ring is crafted out of 14-karat white gold, wow. And it's got a carat-sized center in the middle, a beautiful halo mounting, and I believe about 1.25 carats of side stones in that. And it's by the Sylvie Collection, one of our top designers.
And how many years have you had this contest?
This is our second year running the contest. Last year we did it with Kenny Chesney, and it was a huge success. We had 180 entries. We had 10,000 votes, and then we had 70,000 visits to our website.
Wow. And the couple that won, were they from our area?
The couple that won were from our area, a wonderful couple, and actually today, believe it or not, I received an invitation to their wedding.
Oh, how nice.
Which will be August 10th. So,
all right, and whoever wins this ring, they get to propose at a concert?
On August 29th, I believe it is, at the Kelly Clarkson Frey concert at CMAC, live on the air, I believe, with Scott Spezzano. And last year there were approximately 50,000 people listening to that proposal live.
And can I hang on to this ring until the winner is chosen?
Maybe we can have visitation rights for the weekend.
Yeah, you look a little nervous because you know I'm not giving it back. No. It doesn't fit, though.
I know where
it needs to be sized. Yeah, you do. Well, thanks for coming on. If you want information about how you can win this beautiful ring, go to WHUC.com. And you can't be married, right? Married couples can't enter. We can't get remarried. We can't do it for no. All right.
Just a good love story.
All right, I'm gonna talk them into it. In the meantime, we're out of time. Thanks for watching Rock City Tonight. Have a great weekend.